welcome to this series of interviews from the batch of XRI GMP 2009-2010. Through this series of interviews, we'll try to understand the unique profiles that we have in our batch, starting off today with Dr. Pallav Gupta. So Dr. Pallav Gupta, tell us, after 16 years of medical practice, both in India and abroad, what brings you here to this batch of GMP 2009-2010?
Kaushik, first of all, thanks for having me here and having chosen me out of this batch. Actually, throughout my medical career, it's been a pursuit to do better in whatever I did. So initially, after completing my post-graduation in general surgery, I decided, I could make out that with the presence of senior surgeons around me, people would not actually come to me as patients unless I had a special ability to offer to them. So I went for a post-graduation in pediatric surgery, after which I practiced for around 8 years in India and abroad. It was time to do something different, and it is then that I decided of planning to do something as a management trainee, because of the upcoming healthcare sector, as you see all around you in India. So many corporate chains have come into healthcare. Healthcare is coming up in a big way. It is also taking along with it the pharma industry, healthcare ancillary industries. So it's a good time to be actually focused on healthcare as a management training. And what better place to come than actually XLRI, one of the premier institutes in the country. You have a beautiful campus to go around, a world-class faculty which actually stays within the campus and is accessible to you round the clock as and when you require their guidance, unlike many other institutes which are mostly dependent on visiting faculty, etc. So XLRI gives you a wholesome and a rich culture and a good education to actually make a manager out of it.
So, 3.5 months have passed by and we are on the end of term 2. What has been the experience level or the different experiences that you had in this course of time?
It's been a proverbial roller coaster ride. It's been a long time since I left maths and all, went into biology and medicine. So, first of all, the batchmates have been very helpful. The infrastructure of the institute is wonderful, the library, the LAN network that you have. Things are accessible to you all the time, round the clock. This batch profile that we have, people have come from army, medicine, IT, engineering, and people are selflessly willing to help you out in whichever part of the day it may be. Outstanding sporting achievements in our batch. People have been to IIM Lucknow, have done wonderfully over there. Similarly, if you look at the other things, XLRI gives you a chance to go and visit the social milieu of our country, if you must say, the grassroots culture. They take you for the village immersion program, which lasts almost 4 to 5 days. You actually get in touch with village people and you realize why it is actually, if I talk in terms of healthcare, a question more of affordability rather than of accessibility. Even if you had hospitals all over the place in every village, people don't have the means to go and seek treatment over there, right? Similarly, they take you on adventure trips like Tata Sports Academy, Jamshedpur and all, to give you those leadership skills that you require for managing groups and managing teams, being part of the team. And the third important point is that they arrange short foreign immersion for you, so that you get a feel of the way they teach in the foreign B schools and how businesses are managed across borders. So probably shortly after completion of this term, most of us or all of us would be going to different places all across the world, including Europe, Philippines, US. So, I don't think any other institute in India would offer such diversity in its program. And no other batch in India would probably offer such diversity.
Doctor, tell me one thing. What would be it's too early to ask, I know, but what would be the future plans that you might be thinking of right now?
As you said, it's a little early to think about, but as I said earlier, healthcare is coming up in a big way. A lot of corporate houses are focusing exclusively on healthcare. Pharmaceutical companies are already well established and are now going for global acquisitions. Similarly, health ancillary companies like GE, Philips, Siemens are all coming up to India in a big way. So the opportunities are abundant. It is just for you to prove that you are worthy of joining a company. And probably you will get chosen.
Thanks a lot, Doctor, for talking to us. It's a nice experience.
Thanks, Kaushik. Nice for having me here.
Sure. Stay tuned for more such interesting profiles and we'll come back. This is Kaushik from XRI Batch GMP 2000.